You know? You know? Wow. You know?
Ayun guys!
Dali natin to si Pearl dito sa quarters. Yun.
Headquarters.
I didn't know it was a mission. Baclaran Church daw guys. So she's praying. She's praying.
Uy, baka iba siya.
Bendisyon na mo to. Baka ano, dasalan mo, dasalan mo. Sana magbago na po, no? Wow!
Magkakaalaman kung sinong boss dito. Alam niyo kung bakit? Kung sinong magluluto.
Magluluto.
Yan ang hindi boss.
Dude, that pork joel is so good. Wow! Ito na visitor natin. Busy.
Try my kimchi pancake. Have you tried it? Okay. It's good, right? My favorite. When I start eating, I know I'm a fan.
Can we get an extra chopsticks, please?
Nakuha ng kimchi pancake. Sa akin tuwing ko.
I don't think that's it.
Like that.
Oh, I need rice.
Wala, lahat tayo boss.
Ha?
Siya nagluto eh. Lahat tayo boss. Ha?
Order me rice. Can you order rice and Saranya?
Namatay yung hotspot.
I'm just recording. Grabe, this is so good. So we're gonna try this kimchi pancake first.
May order ka pa na isa, hindi?
Mario. I thought it's usually a big, like, cheesecake.
Maliit niya eh.
The sauce is so good, like this sauce. So I don't know. But I'll give it a try. A bit spicy. It's like pesto. And salt. So I think this is done, right? Thank you. So we'll try the, I think this is a beef belly. Oh my god. The meat quality is very good. Hindi ka talaga nagkakanin, bro?
The green salsa, I think that it's for me, salsa is so good.
Is it salsa or pesto?
I don't know.
It's pesto.
Namatay
Oh, they
ko.
changed it already to a different grill.
Gusto ko yung bulgogi.
I think that is this is bulgogi.
Yeah.
And then this one's like Hey, go eat, guys. This is gonna get
We're waiting for the cheese.
the cheese.
Sakto pagtapos siya, kumain. Luto na yung cheese. Nandiyan siya.
Buti na lang may Korean kami translator.
Ayun guys.
Cheers, 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 cheers. Let's try try this pork joe. I'm really excited about this one because it's always been good. But I'm gonna put salt so I can taste the flavor. It's so tender. Oh my god. Smells so good. The pork, try mo sa salt lang.
Which one?
The pork. So good.
Gawa tayo ng POV. Ang unang manlait sa magbabayad. Tapos tahimik lang tayo lahat. Ang unang manlait sa magbabayad.
Kung sino daw unang manlalait siya magbabayad.
Alam mo ba? Alam mo ba si Jaire? Si Jaire? Kapanta ng buko. Hi Jaire, kung nanonood ka. I don't eat egg.
What? This is a good egg. This is a good
I
egg.
love raw eggs.
How about salted egg?
Try it, try it.
Yeah, raw and salted.
Okay, I'm gonna try this cheese then. I'm not really getting much. You know.
Just be on a restaurant right now, so you guys should go.
Tapos sinabi lang, try the cheese. Siyempre sanay ka sa toxic, di ba? Don't tell me what to do. Are you sure that you're Filipina? I am a Filipina. Why are Latinas crazy too? Are crazy? Yeah. I don't know. Which one is crazier?
Filipina or Latina?
Yeah.
It's close. Very close. Similar. It's similar.
Similar na, grabe. Okay, I bet you Philippines.
You know. Wow.
You know.
Napapasayaw pa, oh.
Papatayo sa sarap.
If you see the like happy dance, that means it's good, right? Yeah.
Kahoy na
There
nila.
you go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Get more. You need a tortilla?
Yes, can you give me the rice? The rice chocolate. No.
We have rice, so.
No.
Oh, this one, this one. This
Paper?
one. Yeah, it will do, right?
I want bond paper. Like,
Yeah. All we can say is like, it's worth it. It's really, really good. Look at this. Done.
Empty.